If you've misplaced or lost your car key or simply want to create a spare in the case of emergencies, Toronto Top Locksmith can help. Our fully certified and licensed technicians have a minimum of 6 months training, both in-house and hands-on upon joining the team. Not only will they be able to provide you with fast and efficient car key duplication services, they will also ensure your complete satisfaction upon job completion. As a bonded and insured company, we are committed to helping our clients as soon as possible. That's why we work 24/7, including holidays and weekends, and arrive within 15 to 20 minutes of your call, no matter where you are in Toronto or the GTA. So for car key duplication services, call us anytime at 647-479-7764.